Suggestion off the ship.
September 23rd, 2020, and guess where we are?
The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y
Definitely different crowd levels. So we've been at Epcot about 10 minutes and already got to ride Spaceship Earth, and now we're heading over to ride Soarin'. So far, so good. Walked onto Spaceship Earth and appears to be walking on to Soarin'. Don't forget to click the link above to see a complete ride of Soarin' that was recorded earlier. But as of right now, we are the only ones in line. September 23rd, 2020, walking onto Soarin'. And now a quick ride on Living with the Land. Got the plexiglass dividers up between the rows. Plastic dividers between the seats. Plastic dividers between the rows.
Led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being. Innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, banana. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world every year. For the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with
Off the ship!